Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out 3 flex auger drill bits from Jonard tools. The DBA-154, the DBA-3854, and the DBA-91654. Built to make wall fishing faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Now all 3 share the same smart design that makes them a must-have for low voltage pros and installers. First, the aggressive tip. These bits chew through wood and other materials with ease, no struggling, no burning out. Second, the pull-through design. You've got holes on both the bit head and the chuck, so after you drill, you can easily attach and pull your wire straight through the wall. Third, the extended reach. Each one is 54 inches long, giving you the distance you need to drill through multiple studs or get deep inside a wall cavity. And fourth, it's built to last. With a black oxide coated shaft and powder coated blue finish, they resist rust, stay rigid, and stand up to job site abuse. So what's the difference between them? It's all in the width. The DBA-154 gives you a 1-inch bore, perfect for pulling larger cable bundles. The DBA-91654 gives you a 9/16 inch opening, great for mid-size wire runs. And the DBA-3854 offers a 3/8 inch width for smaller or single cable installs. No matter which one you pick, you're getting Jonard's signature quality, flexibility, and performance, making wall fishing faster and smoother every time. So if you're ready to make your next wire run a breeze, check out Jonard's Flex Auger drill bits, available in 3 variations. DBA-154, DBA-3854, and DBA-91654. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.